Ready? Okay. It's time. It's time to go to sleep, okay? Ready? Close our eyes. Ready? Huh? What?
I want a snack.
Okay, after we get done with Charlie, I'll get you one.
Because every time when I go in Mommy's room, I have a snack.
Okay, I'll get you one. Go back to Mommy's room, please.
Banana chocolate cookie.
Okay.
Only pie booty.
Okay, sorry. Thank you. Okay.
I want goldfish. I want those pretzels goldfish.
Okay, I'll see if I can find them. Thank you. Okay. Okay, let's go to sleep. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. Charlie, it's time to get up. Wake up, Charlie. Is it sleep time? Okay. You woke up?
Yeah.
Hold on. Is it sleep time or is it time to get up?
That's easy.
Sleep time? Okay. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. We up? Oh, we go to sleep now? Oh.
Right there.
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's it.
It's time to get up.
And now we.
It's time to get up? No? Okay, go sleep.
Right there.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Like baby. Yeah, baby. And yeah, baby.
Huh? What?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, okay. Can you say goodnight to the camera?
Okay.
Can you say dream big?
No.
Can you say dream big?
Are you tea, baby? Are you tea, baby?
Sleep with you? Okay, let's go.
Bye, baby, too.
Oh, sorry. Okay. What? We up. Wake up, wake up. Okay, it's time to go to bed.
Right.
Say goodnight.